We're playing Jenga, and it's gonna poop. Y'all get it out.
If you make it fall, you would have lost.
No.
Your turn.
You're gonna win it.
I should look better than this.
Oh no! I'll put it up. Let's look at it. Missing one there, and there, and there, and there. That's it so far.
Yeah.
No. So I texted you.
It's James!
Woo!
He said, no, why do you ask? Yo. Oh, James.
Oh. Alright, it's gonna fall.
Oh! Oh, you genius!
Shut up. Whoa! We're so stupid. I told you it's gonna fall.
Hey.
That's amazing. Wait, let's see what happens when I take this off. See, he told you it's off now.